All right, so very good because you immediately um entered. All right, so let's continue. So we have here stressful, right? Okay, so yes, just like what I said, to make it simpler, stressful means not relaxing. So that is stressful. Okay, so for example, the test was a very stressful experience for me. So what's your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, I think I feel stressful when I'm study a lot.
Yes, that's right. That's very stressful if you need to study so much. Okay, and we also have here under stress. This is actually same with stressful and under stress. Okay, so when you are under stress, you are feeling pressured. Okay, this is under stress. Okay, like for example, um, I don't know. Wait a minute. Let me think. Under stress. Okay, so I want to be the type of person who can perform well, okay, even though that I am under a lot of stress. So what's your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, I think I'm under stress when uh, wait, uh, I chatting with my friends and I feel under stress.
Very good. Okay, then we have here suffer from stress. All right, so look, we have here stressful. This is the situation. Okay, so the situation will put you under stress like that. Then this one, the result when you are under stress, suffer from stress. Okay, this is the experience. Um, what's that? Suffer from stress is experience that we get from stress. Okay, like that. So, but the word suffer is actually like something that we are not delighted if we hear it. Or something that doesn't make us happy because no one in this world likes to suffer. Yeah, we just want an easy life. Yes, we don't want to suffer from stress or we don't want to deal with stress. Okay, so when we say suffer from stress, that means experience from stress. Okay, so for example, um, last week I suffered from stress because of a very hectic schedule and I had multiple tasks to do at work and at school. What's your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, mm, my friend suffer from stress because her family is broken.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Is that a true sentence?
Yes.
Is that a real sentence, Mayan?
Uh, yes, her, my friend, her family is broken.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Okay, yeah, it's hard to be part of a broken family. Yes. Okay, but anyway, you are lucky and you are blessed because you you have a complete family who love you so much. Okay. Then we have here experience a high level of stress. Wow. Okay. So when we experience a high level of stress, that means we go through with intense stress in our life. It's like heavy stress, like very intense. You are now on the verge of giving up, or you are now on the verge of depression. That is experience a high level of stress. Like for example, like um um I don't know. Let me see. Okay, like my boyfriend told me that he experienced a high level of stress during his exam. What's your sentence, Mayan?
Uh, some many study experience a high level of stress to level transfer.
Okay, then we have here cope with stress. Okay, so at the end of it all, of course, there are many ways that we can do to deal with stress. So, cope with stress means deal with stress. How do you handle stress? So, that is how you cope up with stress. For example, learning to cope with stress is very essential for our health. What's your sentence, May Ann?
Um, that means um, we need to cope with stress because stress me make me feel tired.
All right. Okay. So now, thank you so much for providing sentences with the phrases and words that we tackled here, Mayan. So this time, Mayan, I want you to preview this text again. And let me know if you're ready because I'm going to ask you two questions.
Uh,
You can read it
reading,
silently.
yes, stress, nasty thing. I hate being stressed, but I'm not sure why. The stress disappears and then everything is back to normal. I need to tell myself that the stressful situation will be over soon. I wonder if people are more stressed today than we than they were 100 years ago. I think they probably are. There are more things to get stressed about these days: exams, money, jobs, trains, anything and everything. I get stressed when I have to meet a deadline and the time is running out. Fortunately, there are many things to do to get rid of stress. I reduce my stress by chatting with friends or going for a run. Life seems better then. I wonder that will give me strength next. I will get my running shoes ready so I can manage it.
All right. Now, here are the questions. According to the man, why do people nowadays get more stressed than they were in the past?
Mm, I think there are more things to get stressed about these days,
Mm, what are
like
those?
things like exam, money, jobs, trains, anything and everything.
That's right. Very good. Okay. How does the man cope with stress?
Mm, oh, I think he chatting with friends and running.
Yes, very good. So it's very easy to answer the question once you already read the text twice, right? Because you completely understand. So well done for that one, Mayan. So here, Mayan, according to Hans Selye, okay, he said that it's not stress that kills us. It is our reaction to it. So what do you think about this saying, Mayan?
Uh, wait,
Or what can you understand about this saying? What does this mean? Do you have any
I,
idea?
I think stress is not kill us because it's reaction to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Yes, you have a point on there. Yeah. So actually, this saying emphasizes the importance of managing our own reaction to stress. Okay, so we can actually like react to stress through positive coping strategies rather than letting it control us. Because, of course, there are many people who die um, at an early age because of stress. Yes. Okay, so this is actually what do we call the one? Like the stress, according to Hans Selye, is not harmful. Okay, what matters the most is how we respond to stress. So of course, since we are all living here in this world, stress is just a natural part of our life. Okay, but when we react to it with overwhelming anxiety, anger, or even like worry, it can actually negatively impact our health, may and so does with our well-being. Yeah, that's why you can see on the news that there are so many people who are depressed. It is because of stress. Yeah. Okay, yeah, like don't like what can I say about this is take it easy. If you feel that you are in a stressful situation, take a deep breath. Um then do some things that makes you feel happy and forget about that stress. Like that. Yeah. Okay. So now, Mayan, let's have a discussion. Okay. Do you often get stressed?
mm, yes, I do.
Yes. So what makes you feel stressed, Mayan?
I think when we have so many homework and tests to do,
Yes, that's right. So how do you handle all those things, Mayan?
uh, um, I think I walk around the house or listen to music or chatting with my friends.
Yes, that's right. Very good because you have an outlet. Yeah, so your friends are your outlet. So whenever you feel stressed, whenever you have challenges in your life or some problems, then you can actually tell it to your friends and that will make you feel at ease. Okay, so when we share our problems to others, then um it's like our heart is not heavy anymore. Yes, because we already shared it to them. Yeah, unlike if it's only us and we don't have people who are willing to listen to our problems. So that is why there are so many cases of depression, suicides because of stress. Okay, we really have that's why it's good to have friends, like good friends. Okay, because whenever you have problem or whenever you're stressed in your life, okay, they are there to make you laugh. Okay, so Mayan, did you learn anything from stress? Okay, so what did you learn, Mayan?
That is um, no from that experience. I think it's made me feel happiness and uh
Say that
uh
again, Mayan.
I think it's helped me happiness and make me it's made me like me
Yeah,
uh it's
I
made
like for
me
you.
happy
Uh-huh.
it's made me happy and very positive in my life.
Yes, wow, I love that one. Just to be positive in life. Okay, thank you for that, Mayan. Okay, so why do you think, Mayan, that people nowadays experience a high level of stress compared to 100 years ago?
Um, I think it's so many things that make people experience a high level of stress, like they need money to do something, or they have so many homework and a lot of jobs to do.
Mm, yes, that's true. You mentioned about financial challenges, um doing homework, that's for the students. Yes, and you know what, like if you live in the country, like most of the people in the countryside, Mayan, are living a peaceful life compared to the people in the city, because in the city, okay, they have a fast-paced lifestyles, and many people today experience high levels of stress because of their lifestyles, work pressures, just like what you said. They have um, problems in their finances. Yes, and you know what, Mayan? It is also because of social media. Okay, social media can actually add pressure to our life. Okay, like it actually pressure us to keep up with others. Okay, like for example, you can see someone who went on a vacation to this place, and you'll be like, "Oh, I also want to go there," like that. Then if you see your friends having an iPhone 16 Pro Max, then you would say, oh, I also want to have that one. It actually creates a feeling of insecurity in us. So that's what social media do. And okay, that is also one of the reason why people nowadays experience a high level of stress, because they thought that everything that they can be seen in the social media are true. Yes. Okay, then of course, we also have personal things that we need to do that we cannot keep up with, especially those things that have deadlines. Yeah, so it's really hard to what's that? To chase after the deadline. Okay, so how does stress badly affect our lives, Mayan?
Mm, I think the stress is like us to like they make me they make us feel tired and they lose faith in our life and they very sad.
That's right. Yeah, stress can harm our physical and mental health. Yes, it can actually lead to issues just like what I said earlier, like depression. It it gives us sleep problems. Yes. And it also affects our relationships with other people. Okay, say for example, you've seen your mom um always angry. Okay, it is because she's very stressed at work, she's very stressed at home, like that. So it actually like affects our relationship with other people because a stressed person is very irritable. They are short-tempered. Yes, and we are not able to communicate with them because when we try to talk to them, they will already shout at you. It is because they are stressed. So that's how bad stress affect our lives. Again, it affects our physical and mental health and also our relationship with other people. Okay, so here, Mayan, last question. According to this material, do you think stress is ever good, useful, or necessary? Why or why not, Mayan?
Mm, I think it's not because stress is like uh I think it's like the physical health and mental health are wrong. And this is actually like it's not good for our health.
Say that again, Mayan. I'm sorry, I'm confused with your answer.
Mm, I think stress is not good to our physical health and mental health.
Mm. Okay, so here, let's simplify this one. So no reason, no explanation. Do you think stress is ever useful? Yes or no?
Mm, I think it's no.
What do you think, Mayan?
I think no.
Is no. All right. Now, here, can you tell me why you said no?
I think the stress is make me feel tired and it's not good for my physical health and mental health.
Mm, that's right. Very good. You simplified it. And yes, I also think that stress is not useful. But you know what, Mayan? I came to realize that stress is actually just part of our life and it actually helps us it actually helps it actually shapes us to be a better person, because without challenges, okay, so we will not grow. Just like what other people say, they would say that um go out of your comfort zone, because that is the place that you will grow. Yes. Okay, if you have a life without any stress, so I think that's kind of boring too. Yes, because there are no challenges, you don't have any problems like that. But you know what? It's just a matter of balance. I don't dream a life full of stress, and I also don't want a life without any stress. Just a balanced life. Yes. Okay, so for me, I'm kind of so-so to this question, because I can say that stress is somewhat useful, and stress sometimes can also be unnecessary, especially if it is what do we call that one? Like a long-term stress. Yes. Okay, because just like what you said, it is very harmful to our physical and mental health. That is why, okay, the lesson of this topic for tonight is we should know how to manage stress very well. Okay, it is essential to maintain health and productivity. Yes. Okay, so we should take good care of our mental health. Okay, and of course, with our physical health. Yeah, it's so easy to take care of our physical health. But you know what? With our mental health, it's so hard. Okay. So anyway, Mayan, so today um we had the listening. Okay, you were able to read the short text, and I'm glad that you completely understood it. We learned some vocabularies. Then you did well in your pronunciation. Everything was great. And thank you so much for sharing all your thoughts and opinions about this topic, stress. Okay. So do you have any question?
No, teacher.
All right. So thank you so much for tonight, Mayan. And Mayan, if you have some time, you can actually answer this Quizlet. So I sent you the link in the chat box. So you don't have to worry about that one, because it is actually there is a translation that will help you. Yes, only when you are bored. But if you're very busy, it's not necessary to answer that one. Okay, so that's it for tonight, May Ann. Thank you once again. Have a good night and see you next week. Bye, May Ann.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.